Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Wednesday, August the 21st. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address right here, the info@trade-ideas.com. This is a link to get into our 100% free trading room. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our trading room. I open the room every morning at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays, up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. In the email that you are getting, you will see a promo code for 25% off. It is back to the letter two, number 2, school, so back in school, all in capital letters. And that'll get you 25% off either the first month of a Trade Ideas subscription or the entire year. And as always, if you do take out a monthly or say a standard and you want to upgrade to either premium or yearly, you can do so. If you do it within 30 days, we'll honor that 25% promo code. Well, you know what? Really only one stock to talk about, and that is Cree. I did have a few other little trades. I got chopped out of some trades that I thought might have worked early. They didn't really. I can go over them, but I mean, they were, in fact, I'll just quickly look at the Acor. Acor I had high hopes for. This was one that, when you look at it on the weekly chart, you can see it's got this tremendous void, potential gap fill. And so this is one I was watching yesterday, actually. And so when it did this pre-market, when it did this, I thought, okay, we're away to the races. And I got in, I think, at 336. I did have a little scalp up to here, but then it just absolutely, that candle just killed the trade. I got out for an 8-cent loss. I mean, it wasn't a big deal, but I really thought once it cleared this area that it might really continue. Thought 350 might be a bit of a stumbling block, but anyway, that was that one. The other one that I had high hopes for was TWOU. Kind of the same thing when you look at it on the weekly chart. I mean, you can see that. My goodness, look at the potential gap fill. So I watched that one in the pre-market. And it was up here. I thought, okay, maybe this is ready to have another pop. I had a couple of nice days, but it just chopped around. And again, I got into that one at 19. I think it was 1927, right here, and I got taken out on that candle here, 1910. And that and another small one, Iova. I did the same sort of thing, and also IQ. I got chopped out of 3 little ones, probably a grand total of about 30-cent loss. However, look at Cree. Cree made mine and probably so many people in the room's day. Cree was an earnings play. So we saw this in the pre-market. This is the earnings reaction after hours yesterday. That is the mauve area. And then I was watching it. I said, oh, man, this is having a nice pop. Nice pop. Remember, the market was really strong to start today, and it has maintained its strength. And I thought, well, maybe this is going to have a bounce. And it even got back up to here. And, this is, what is the pre-market? This is still the pre-market action, okay? There's that first candle, 9:30. Wow, look what happened. And now I didn't chase it. But then all of a sudden, I pointed out the green bar ignored. Now, if you saw the video yesterday, I sort of went over what the RBIs, red bar and green bar ignores are. And so I saw this. And I thought, okay, what could possibly happen from here? This green candle, totally engulfed, of course, by the previous red candle. The only issue I had was this bottoming tail there. And I thought, do I want to take it right away? Because remember what the bottoming tail, but it did have a topping tail also. So at one point, the buyers had brought it up here. The sellers knocked it down. At one point, the sellers had it down here, but the buyers brought it back. So I thought, okay, the trigger for this is if the next candle is red and it moves below the low of the green candle. So it would have been 52.66. I waited just a little bit though, and I entered this short right here at 52.44. And really, look at this. I mean, it almost, it had a topping tail there, but I got out here at 50, just over 50 in case it couldn't take the 50. So remember, I'm in at 52.40, got out just a little over 50, covered some more here at 49.15, and covered some more here at just underneath 49. And I'm out of it. Now it looks like it could have a bounce. It's possible that this could have a nice bounce. So, in fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an alert right here at 49.46. and it didn't take a second. Okay, for some reason the alert is not showing up. I'm going to do it one more time. Oh well, something's going on. But I'm going to keep an eye on this one because, with all these bottoming tails too, and in the bottoming tails, there are some topping tails, but the bottoming tails are longer. The sellers kept trying to knock it down, but maybe, just maybe, the buyers are going to be in a little bit of control now. So definitely want to get back in the room to see if this takes out this area. So, but that's kind of it, guys. I mean, and also just to let you know, we're experimenting with another. Well, if you've been in the room, we've been talking about this Holly 2.0, and Christopher. Well, it's behind here. You'll have to trust me that Cree was also on that early. And a little bit earlier, I think it was short at $54. I got in around $52.46. So it's working actually pretty interesting. Don't get very many alerts, but there's definitely some quality alerts. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room and let's see, bring back the capture program. So again, any questions for me, you have this email address, link for the free room. Remember, the promo code for 25% off is in the email you're getting. I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Hope everybody has a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.